What is the best water flask? That's a very good question. Take a look at what I got down here. This water flask has water and ice on one side. What is that? Watermelon on the other side? Yes. Actually, it's called a split flask, and what this allows you to do is you can actually take out this part and put more drinks in the other side. 2 drinks, 1 cup, or a drink and a snack in your split flask, all insulated, BPA free, leak proof. Get yours at the TikTok shop.